Welcome back to the Learning Studio. This is the Biological Sciences series, and in today's lecture, we'll explore one of the body's most powerful communication systems, hormones and endocrine regulation. If you missed our last episode on nervous system function and neurotransmission, you'll find the full playlist linked in the description below. Here's a question. How can a tiny molecule, present in microscopic amounts, control everything from your heartbeat to your mood to your growth? That's the magic of hormones. What are hormones? Hormones are chemical messengers secreted into the bloodstream by endocrine glands. Unlike neurotransmitters, which act quickly across tiny synapses, hormones travel throughout the body, coordinating long-term processes like reproduction and metabolism. Key endocrine glands include pituitary gland, the master gland, regulating many other glands, thyroid gland, controlling metabolism, adrenal glands, producing stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, Pancreas, balancing blood sugar with insulin and glucagon, Gonads, ovaries and testes, regulating reproduction. Mechanism of action. Hormones act by binding to specific receptors on target cells, triggering a cascade of changes. Two main categories. Peptide hormones like insulin, water-soluble, bind to surface receptors, act quickly. Steroid hormones like estrogen, testosterone, cortisol, lipid-soluble, pass through membranes, act on DNA to change gene expression. This allows hormones to act with both speed and precision. Case studies and examples. Diabetes mellitus, caused by insulin deficiency, type 1, or resistance, type 2, shows the importance of precise endocrine regulation. Thyroid disorders. Hypothyroidism leads to fatigue and weight gain, while hyperthyroidism causes weight loss and anxiety. Stress response. Adrenaline raises heart rate instantly, while cortisol helps sustain energy during long-term stress. Reproductive health. Hormonal imbalances can affect fertility, puberty, and menstrual cycles. These cases prove that even slight hormonal imbalances can have dramatic effects. Endocrine regulation, feedback loops. The body keeps hormones in balance through feedback mechanisms, especially negative feedback. Example, the hypothalamus pituitary thyroid axis. Hypothalamus releases TRH, pituitary releases TSH, thyroid produces T3 and T4. When thyroid hormone levels are high, they inhibit TRH and TSH release, maintaining balance. Without these loops, the body would swing out of control. Why this matters in physiology and anatomy. The endocrine system shows how the body coordinates long-term strategies, not just quick reactions. For students, it links molecular biology, physiology, and medicine. Past, present, and future relevance. Past, discovery of insulin in 1921 transformed diabetes from a fatal disease into a manageable condition. Present, hormonal therapies treat cancer, infertility, thyroid disease, and more. Future, personalized medicine and bioengineered hormones could revolutionize treatment of endocrine disorders. So that's our exploration of hormones and endocrine regulation, the silent messengers that control nearly every aspect of life. In our next episode, we'll look at another fascinating system, the immune system, both innate and adaptive, and how our bodies defend against infections and disease. Welcome again to the Learning Studio. Don't forget to check the playlist link below and subscribe so you won't miss our next lecture. Because once you understand hormones, you realize that even the tiniest signals can create the biggest changes.